Hey guys, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will learn how we can do a PC health check in our Windows 11 requirements to check if our device is compatible with Windows 11 update. So this is to avoid ruining the computer. And here I'm opening my browser. So I'm on the system requirement page. In here, you'll see the difference of Windows 11 from Windows 10. So under the system requirements, we have PC Health Check app. And all we need to do is just visit this link. So I'll leave the link for this site on the description box below. Just check it out later. So, and your device, it says here that your device must be running Windows 10 version 2004 or later. And to upgrade, free updates are available through Windows Update in Settings and Update and Security. So the processor must have 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip. And the RAM should have 4 GB. So storage should be 64 GB or larger. And for the system firmware, so UEFI Secure Boot Capable. And you can check here by clicking this button here for information on how your PC might be available or might be able to meet this requirement. So to check if our PC or your device is compatible with a Windows 11 update, just click this link here and run PC Health Check from Microsoft. So once you click this link here, you will be able to have a choice to download the app. And all you need to do is just install it after downloading the app. And you will see if your device is compatible with the Windows 11 update. So as for my device, this PC has already Windows 11. So I won't be able to go with this site here. And for me to check for updates, I can also click for this button. And you will see that my device is up to date. Okay. So once you have downloaded and you installed the app, you will see this window in your screen, and you can click this check now button to see if your laptop or device is compatible with the Windows 11 update. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.